You're on your knees scrubbing that blackened crust on your oven floor for the third hour straight, and your arm's ready to give out before the stain does. That's not you scrubbing wrong. It's because baked-on grease and sugar residue carbonize under high heat into a bonded carbon layer, and dry scrubbing just fights that bond head-on instead of breaking it chemically first. There are 4 ways to dissolve that layer overnight instead of muscling through it, and the cheapest one costs 50 cents using 2 ingredients already in your kitchen. The oldest method traces back to ancient Egypt. Stay with me to the end, because I'm walking through exactly how to skip the scrubbing entirely. Oven cleaner brands profit from fast-acting sprays that require heavy scrubbing anyway, because a genuinely effortless overnight fix would only need to be bought once a year instead of every time you burn a batch of cookies. Baking soda's alkaline grease-cutting power has been documented in cleaning use since ancient Egyptians used natron, a naturally occurring sodium compound, for cleaning as early as 2000 BC, and that's exactly the kind of low-effort fix a billion-dollar oven cleaner category has no reason to lead with. Fix number 1. Baking soda and water paste. 50 cents total. The overnight method that skips scrubbing almost entirely. Mix 1/2 cup baking soda with 3 tablespoons water into a spreadable paste. Coat every burnt area generously, avoiding the heating elements. Sodium bicarbonate's alkaline properties break down carbonized grease molecules over time rather than through friction, the same mechanism ancient Egyptians relied on with natron for cleaning surfaces over 4,000 years ago. Let it sit 12 hours or overnight. By morning, the carbon layer has softened enough to wipe away with a damp cloth using almost no pressure. Fix number 2. White vinegar spray. 10 cents per application from a $3 gallon jug. After the baking soda sits overnight, spray white vinegar directly over the dried paste. The acetic acid reacts with the alkaline baking soda residue, creating a foaming action that lifts the loosened carbon layer completely away from the oven surface. Wipe with a damp cloth immediately after the fizzing settles, roughly 2 to 3 minutes. Here's the mistake almost everyone makes: turning the oven on to help loosen the grime before cleaning. Heat actually rebonds loosened carbon particles back onto the surface, undoing hours of the baking soda's overnight work in minutes. Fix number 3. Lemon steam softening, about $1 per treatment, for oven interiors with lighter, fresher burns. Slice 2 lemons into an oven-safe dish filled halfway with water. Place in a cold oven. Heat to 250 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 minutes. Then let cool with the door shut for 30 more minutes. Steam infused with citric acid softens fresh grease significantly faster than dry scrubbing, cutting wipe-down time by roughly 60% on stains under 2 weeks old. Fix number 4. Salt on fresh spills, basically free. The immediate response fix that prevents overnight paste from ever being necessary. Pour a generous layer of table salt directly onto any fresh spill or drip while the oven is still warm but off. Salt absorbs the grease before it fully carbonizes onto the surface, letting you wipe it away completely once cooled instead of scraping a bonded layer days later. None of these methods work instantly. The baking soda method specifically needs the full overnight soak to fully soften carbon, and rushing it with a shorter wait leaves patches still requiring scrub effort. Self-cleaning oven interiors with special coatings should skip abrasive pastes entirely and stick to manufacturer-approved cleaning only. Under $1 total for a full overnight treatment versus $80 to $150 for a professional oven detailing service. If this just saved your Saturday afternoon, hit that like button. It tells me what to break down next. Subscribe to the channel if you want more of these. Drop a comment telling me how bad your oven's gotten, and which method you're trying first. Click the link in the description box below to join our free cleaning community. Stay sharp out there.